It spends most of its life up to 8 meters underground. But just once a year, it emerges to breed. A purple frog. This female has a belly full of eggs, and on her back, a newly acquired male partner. He grips her spine, making deep indentations in her flesh. They have timed their emergence to coincide with the monsoon rains. Somehow, in the darkness, they must find a stream in which to lay their eggs and then get back underground before dawn. But during the monsoon, a torrent can develop in minutes. The best breeding spots are upstream. There's nothing for it but to take the plunge. Using her limbs like grappling hooks, she hauls them both up the rocks. At last, shelter. An excellent place to lay eggs. And the male can fertilize them. They can develop here without getting washed away. Having given their brood the best chance of success, they return underground for another 12 months. What they do there, nobody knows.